it's not that hard to figure out that we are living in the last days. And, you know, as I've been explaining, as you watch some videos, um, I've been explaining how these dwarf stars that are surrounding Earth, you know, magnetically came. Well, I don't even blame it on CERN anymore. I really think this is the will of God. And we are in the last days, the end times, people. If you don't understand me, time doesn't change. And as you can see, this planet Nibiru and maybe its solar system along in the time when the dinosaurs were here 27 million years ago, that this planet orbits around in our solar system and out our solar system. You know, every 27 million years, that time has come again. We are living in the last days, people, and we gotta prepare for the worst, pray for the best. But to my story, I wanted to get problem is the authors note that over the last decade, the solar winds has exhibited low densities and magnetic field strengths. Okay, during time, we're getting to the last days. And the magnetic field strengths because these planets, Nibiru, has this strong magnetic field and it has entered our solar system, people. That is why you see in the text over the last decade, 10 years, you know, and it's still going on. Time still goes on. Over the last decade, the solar wind has exhibited low densities and magnetics. You can see it said the problem is the authors note that their new paper, the shield is weakening. Over the last decade, the solar winds has exhibited low densities and magnetic field strengths, representing anomalous states that have never been observed during space. Okay, if you think about it, the reason why our sun magnetic field is weakening is because we have this planet Nibiru with this iron planet Nibiru um, with this strong magnetic field because it's iron and it has its own solar system. So this iron planet Nibiru has its strong magnetic field. You know, 100,000 times. You know, stronger than the sun's magnetic field and the Earth's magnetic field. As you can see, I explained that to you guys. But in this picture, you can see the rays shooting down from different parts of space. You really don't see in the picture. I don't see why NASA didn't show those dwarf stars shooting these beams of radiation waves down on Earth. You see one beam, two beam, three beam, four beam, and we have three dwarf stars, four dwarf stars. You know, in our solar system right now came along with Nibiru. And those radiation waves coming out those planets are all taking a toll on our ozone layer, on our stratospheric ozone that all naturally make up our Earth's atmosphere that keeps the violent ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, and now these other planets that entered our solar system along with Nibiru, which all is taking a toll at the same time with their ultraviolet rays on our atmosphere. That is causing everybody to, have chest pains, lung failure, COPD, headaches, breathing problems. We're getting a lot of sicknesses, and it's not going to get any better because we have this planet Nibiru that come around every 27 million years. People, we are living in the last days, and as you can see, it says cosmic rays hitting Earth are bad and getting worse. As time go by, this was in March, and it's been months. And as we've been keeping up with Raptor News, and as you can see in his footage, that he have been getting good footage from around. People have been sending him good footage of these dwarf stars in our solar system, continually getting bigger and closer to our solar system as it moves throughout our solar system past Earth. People, we are living in the last days. and this is through the will of God. Um, this is natural. This is a natural event that's going on. I can't say CERN have anything to do with this because this planet time doesn't change, people, and this planet comes around every 27 million years. This planet is what killed the dinosaurs. This planet is what's changed, life on Earth, period, during time. Now, as this planet Nibiru come in our solar system and out our solar system, however many years that would take, and our sun withstanding this strong magnetic field of this planet coming past, people, will be dependent on life and the timing of when life will start back after humanity. But people, it's real serious, people. This planet Nibiru still have to orbit out our solar system, people. I'm afraid to say we're not going to make it, people. I'm afraid to say life from this day on, as I said, is not going to get any better, people. And we gotta prepare for the worst, pray for the best. We gotta prepare for the worst, pray for the best. But to my story I wanted to get to about these cosmic rays are taking a toll on our ozone layer. And our ozone layer is what, helps, you know, I had just explained that, you guys. It keeps all the gases that's human-made, man-made, emitted by vehicles and industrial plants and all other things that come from Babylon, the city, are all, well, our ozone layer, stratosphere, stratospheric ozone is naturally made up. As you can see, it's naturally formed around Earth, and it helps keep those chemicals that man made from hitting the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. And that chemical reaction wouldn't be very well. It'll cause pollutant, and I'll explain it to you guys. But these three magical dwarf stars that came out of nowhere are all taking a toll on our Earth's ozone layer and atmosphere, people. And we're not going to make it, people. Things are, people are starting going to get sick. COPD, lung problems, chest pains, headaches. All of these symptoms are going to slowly occur, people. And what is crazy is because the worsening cosmic ray situation. Cosmic rays are bad and they're getting worse. That's the conclusion of a new paper just published in the research journal Space Weather. Because these three dwarf stars that you can see in California are all taking a toll on Earth's ozone layer with its ultraviolet rays, people. The radiation waves coming out those planets are all taking a toll on our Earth's ozone layer in different spots. As you can see in this picture, there's one spot you see, one shot down, one ray shot down, two rays shot down, three rays shot down, four rays shot down, all coming from different parts, which can be those dwarf stars, you know. The story begins 4 years ago when Sharadron, I don't know his name, and collegians first sounded the alarm about cosmic rays, analyzing data from the Cosmic Ray Telescope for the effect of radiation instrument on board NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. They found the cosmic ray in the Earth-Moon system. Oh damn, we're peaking at levels never before seen in the space age. The worsening radiation environment, they pointed out, was a potential peril to astronaut. I don't know. Oh wow. The galactic cosmic rays come from outside the solar system. They are a mixture of high-energy protons and subatomic particles accelerated toward Earth by supernova explosions and other violent events in the cosmos. Our first line of defense is the sun. The sun is a magnetic field and solar wind combined to create a porous shield that fans off cosmic rays attempting to enter the solar system. The shielding action of the sun is strongest during solar maximum and weakest during solar minimum, hence the 11-year rhythm. The problem is the authors note that over the last decade the solar winds has exhibited low densities and magnetic field strengths. Okay, during time we're getting to the last days. The magnetic field strengths because these planets Nibiru had, has this strong magnetic field and it has entered our solar system, people. That is why you see in the text over the last decade, 10 years, you know, and it's still going on. Time still goes on. Um, Over the last decade, the solar wind has exhibited low densities and magnetic